Yeah, hi guys. I've put myself under a bit of pressure here because I'm about, let me know if you can hear me, because I am about to do a personal training session. So I have been up since the 6 o'clock. Send me the love and likes if you can actually hear me. I've been up since incredible o'clock, like 4 a.m. When I get on a creative realm, I cannot shut it down. So I've been talking to America, Europe, Melbourne. Yeah. In about 3 minutes, it's Melbourne again, and then we're on to some other stuff today. So I just wanted to say, how much are you worth? How much are you worth? Let's see if we can share this stream. I've literally got only a few minutes, and I'm only going to stay in. I made this commitment to just do 5-minute blogs or trainings. So Linda Morrison's my name. I'm a life, body, and business coach. I actually look after people and expand health for people around the world. That's basically what we do. How much are you worth? So this morning when I worked with my lawyer client, I said to you, what percentage of women do you think work out and make a commitment to working out and having a morning ritual of health like you do? What percentage? And I said, my guess is 5%, right? So my guess is 5%. So I'm not happy with this, right? 5%. And the reason is that if you weren't here tomorrow, how much does it actually cost to actually get somebody in here or into your role, your realm, to look after children, to run the household, and not even including the professional life? How much does it actually cost to actually replace you? Life insurance companies say it's $250,000 a year. So if you're not even working out to the value of that, right, not even talking about your skill set, how much you bring to other people, how much do you bring to your boss, their business, your business, etc., etc. $250,000. And I've got to tell you, as a mother and a pretty proud housekeeper. I used to be more proud, but now more interested in work, this kind of work, training you guys. It's about, I wouldn't be happy with those that they brought in, to be honest, okay, to be frank with you. So are you looking after yourself to the value of the perceived investment of you? Even that, okay? This doesn't take into consideration your standards, your self-respect, how you want to look, how you want to show up to the world. It doesn't take into account any of those other considerations. It's just to replace you, right? To replace you. So I want you to think about this, is that as you go forward into your week, do you have a morning ritual of health? What you think about and do in the first 20 to 40 minutes sets up your day. Yeah? So what you think about and do in the first 20 to 40 minutes sets up your day. So if you are hating on yourself, if you are sad about how much sleep you didn't get last night, if you are not fitting into the clothes that you're actually wearing as you step forward into your fabulous life, and we do have a fabulous life here in Australia and beyond in the Western world that I actually look after as well, then I want you to actually consider, how are you thinking? What are you doing in those waking moments, the first 20 and 40 minutes? Because what you do far exceeds what you say you are going to do or what you would like the reality to be. Okay, so the call to action now is, if you want to lose 2 to 3 dress sizes, or for men, pant sizes, or 6 to 10 kilos in the next 6 weeks, I would like you to pop onto a call with me, send me a PM, or actually take action and start investing in the investment that is you, right? Start investing in that, because when you start spending time on self, you will develop. My call coming through. I gotta go. Take care. Bye, bye, bye.